Trade. 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 copy trade.
Already in the middle of the trading grind or relaxing at the end of the day.
Nên chỉ người ta chơi, chỉ người ta chơi, nói vậy ai biết chơi.
We copy trade.
Good day, everyone. No matter where you're turning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of the grind of the trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Annie, your host for the next 2 hours, and on the behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's section isn't just another presentation. It's a real conversation, a chance to follow, to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me today will be two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and also the standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not just skilled professionals, they are mentors, they are leaders within our community. First up, the ever composed, always insightful Kai. Welcome, Kai.
Yeah. Thank you, Annie. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for these sessions because there's so much we're to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entries ecosystem what WeMasterTrade has built. This is the platform that's just fun traders. It's built traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense charting reading. Strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Miss Helen.
Thank you, Annie, and hello to everyone in the chat. I'm really glad to be here. What that means more is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Our packages, promotions, scaling, payout structure, all this. And if you ever had a question or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already a funded trader with us, Today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. We're going to walk through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional broker or prop firm. And just to clarify, this isn't just about selling you anything. This is about helping you to understand what is you are signing up for, how our structure works, and also how you can use that structure to use not only to success but to truly actually scale.
And let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That different matter. Broker profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profit only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy steps our trading packages as well. Today we walk through each package who is designed for, how to choose the right ones, and what to expect. If you're looking at our packages and thought, which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, and also consistency, rules, and payout timelines. Reading numbers on a website is one thing. Understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And so when you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the latest lock limits, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matter, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. And we will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade idea.
And I want to explain about the rules, and we share the real experience from my early funniest trading days, mistakes I made and adjustments I learned, and how the rules are exactly there to protect your role, no limits.
And of course, we're going to go through all our current promotion, discount codes, support campaigns, capital bonuses, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof property.
And finally, we will talk about the scale-up plans, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize their structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually plan toward becoming a six-figure funding trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind the long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every type prop firm out there. When you trade on the funded account, follow the rules and generate profits, we share the profit with you and not just a small cut up. That's up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout circle, the thresholds, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know lots of you joining our live stream today is not just trader. Some of you are mentor, are educator, community leaders, or you are just simply have strong network. So we are also diving into our affiliate program, and we are going to do it transparently. We're going to walk through all the commission are calculated, how the referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. And that includes a full explanation of the two referee rules and the minimum funding requirements, no confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you are building a long-term, sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not your usual light, surface level live stream. Today we're going to get deep into everything like the trading packages, the trading rules, promos, scale up pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal is to helping you to make the smallest, most informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have a question, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here, we are watching, and we will answer as many as we possible can. So your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the video later, don't worry, we will leave timestamp summary and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated team I have worked with. They really want the trader to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this, WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into profession, not gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand and to take action, you are exactly in the right place. Let's take this journey together. So alright, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into the packages, trading rules, promos and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy and your trading journey into the platform, you have to understand who we are, what we believe in. Isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is about origin, intention and also impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value holds this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Kai and Helen. Kai, let's kick it off from the beginning.
So thanks, Annie. To really understand about WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it's worth create in the first place. Unlike small brokers or broad firms that rule out of the traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capable traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have to in their savings. The talent should be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We was founded in 2022 as part of the WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade makes its name through investor networks, copy trading technologies, and the signals. But WeMasterTrade is what creates with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them and fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And there's one key point many people overlook and it's matter. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. It isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, we don't earn from commission, and we don't earn when a trader loses. Our model only works when the traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up is designed with alignments in mind. We take on a capital risk, we provide a structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has an education first. We don't want a trader just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure and the why, the risk model. And that's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take the trader from beginner all the way to consistently fund this professional.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade proud to be ISO 21001-2028 certificate, a recognition given to the institution that deliver high quality structure and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it represents our commitment to the long-term trader development.
Now the certifications isn't just a pass, it's a statement. It's always invest in developing traders, not in collecting fees and just disappearance like so many from in space. What's not a problems, rise fast and vanish even faster. WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stabilities, completion, the transparent processes, and the team that stand behind every decision. We are not here to quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that's commitment shown in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, and Philippines, and South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade doesn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some party challenges after years of being struck with the retail brokers, some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some found clarity, structure, and support they had never experienced before. And we have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into the finance after a long career break, and young professionals from the underbanked region. People who were locked out of the markets now trade with the real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the markets, we maintain a constantly update blog section, weekly insight, psychology breakdowns, market reaction, platform updates for you. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops shaping its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just feature, it's the mindset that we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our LiveStream support team or anyone else, you will notice one thing: we actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most law firms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entry model. So your performance fuels the business, your feedback sets the platforms, and your consistencies determines how fast we scale together. What kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we generously value.
And so if you ever the question whether this what is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funded accounts, and talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than just a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent access accelerator, and an education-first trading institution. We are here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable, incoming opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This bigger than a prop firm is a trading movement, and if you're ready to be part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Kai and Helen, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer on actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the differences all the different accounts at WeMasterTrade. How are they different, and who are they designed for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from each of them. Now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we start for, it's time to dive into the most important part today. So let's get into the first package. When we talk about packages, we're not just talking about dollars amount, we're talking about framework for growth. Each packages at WeMasterTrade represent a differently pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we'll walk you through every package, explaining what is offered and its structure, and most importantly, who is it designed for.
Yeah, exactly, Annie. And as WeMasterTrade, we don't release in one-size-fits-all models, so that's why we create two distinct product lines for traders: the challenge packages and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of the account size and the configurations because the traders come with the different strengths, risk ability, and the timelines. We make sure there's a part for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package. They are for traders who are ready to skip challenge phase and start trading with the real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge mode or those who already have a task strategy or want to hit the ground running, it's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same risk rule that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding packages, you select an account size from 10K to 100, and you start trading real funds from the day one. And the rules are the straightforward: 5% daily loss limits, 10% of maximum loss, and 1.100 leverage. There are no simulated phase. You're already in the funds phase, and your profit is up to 90%.
So to summarize the challenge package, this is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with the WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly, I think of it this way. The challenge package is to build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. The instant funding will trade with light capital immediately if you're confident in your strategy. Both paths lead the same destination. Scale your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget that both packages are fully complete with the WeMasterTrade risk manager rules. And that is our guarantee, and you have a clear, transparent path where you are learning, settings, or trading full time. The difference is only for starting point, your skill levels, and the comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to get through to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge and instant funding, so you can see clearly the account sizes, risk rules and timelines, and profit share opportunities too.
The 20 to 100K challenge packages are profiled for traders who already have a capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the raw challenges or have a strong verified trading history, it's a natural step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part. That fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through all the challenges at all, and you want real capital from day one, earning purely based on results? That's where our instant funding packages comes in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stand out. The instant model is designed for experienced disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stage, just live trading, full backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goals. Today we will roll to 5 main intense funding packages: standards, 51010, 510 51010 no PCs, and customized. So we will compare the details, and the most importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. All instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phrases, no evaluation. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limit, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan towards 1,000 million. Well, suppose and it support or for all EA, swing trades, coupling, and even HFT strategies. And now let's get into the package by package. So Kai and Helen, I want you guys to jump into what with real advices. Who should choose which package, and what kind of traders have you seen succeed with each of them?
So let's kick off with the standard packages. I like to call this one the trader's best friends. So why is it? Because it gives the stability, predictability, and room to trade smart. You get a setup to 200,000 in capitals with a 4% of daily loss limits and a 6% of overall maximum loss. This balance lets you focus on trading quality setups, not just hitting arbitrary targets.
Exactly. Typically as a calm, steady account, it doesn't push you to overtrade or straight out. And with a profit share up to 90%, even a slow and steady strategy can roll that serious earning. For example, a disciplined swing trader who caps 2 to 3 solid trades per week can compound results daily without risking the account unnecessarily.
And what about commission?
So they are highly competitive across all instruments. So the first is $5 per loss. Gold is $6 per loss, and index is $2.5 per loss, and stock is just 0.07 per lot. It's all designed to make the trading affordable while still accessing a broad range of the markets.
And the flexibility is unmatched. You can use new trading, scalping, swing trades, weekend hold, EA, or even SFT strategy. Basically, any style you prefer.
Yes, so here the takeaway. If you are someone who trades consistently, knows your strategy, and want a full suite for your instrument, and aims to build long-term performance, the standard package is a solid choice.
Intermediate to advanced trader who know that as but you're the one with the tight aggressive target day challenges. If you ever seen an account without due to unrealistic rule, you will appreciate how far and for give this package.
And swing traders will love it. The 4-6% risk profile gives enough room to hold multiple days positions, and the weekend holdings is fully allowed. It's essentially a threat-free environment to execute your strategies without the artificial pressures.
Next up, let's shift the gears into the 5-10-10 package. Same maximum capital up to $200,000, but now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That's a rating room in hill for traders who scale into position or like take multiple in try per setup. Imagine you in the volatile markets with a fast swing. The 5-10-10 rule lets you negative larger move without hitting daily limits relentlessly. It's a game changer for professional start trading.
The profit target here is 10%, so perfectly aligned with the higher risk windows. And as always, you get full flexibilities, cabins, EAs, new tradings, swing traders, SFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about the tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and the market time.
So, Kai and Helen, for someone deciding between standard and 5-10-10, how do they know which fits their trading personality?
If you prefer lower risk, steady goals, standard is your friend. You can advance slowly without pressure. The 5 10 is meant for those who understand variety, manages more flexible position, and want to slightly wider position. You have more room to make strategy moves without being pressured by limits.
It's about stability, yes, I would say when the funding to the right. And this market is for taker, especially those focusing fast moving above line area or gold or high forward trend. And if you have a fast internet strategy and want to deliver a strong market risk, this market for you is gives you a flexibility without sacrificing stability.
And it's also right for traders who first visit your patterns, that profit growth accidentally created on phone, putting real profit and payout around. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and these packages give them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So, to sum up, standard is for steady swing style growth, and 5-10-10 is for high tolerance intraday's or ambitious traders. Next, we'll dive into the 5-10-0 and the 5-10-10 no fee packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including EAs, scalping, and more aggressive strategy. So now, this one is personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms, the 5-10-0 package. You get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no numbers chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who focus on precision over pace, it is the pure freedom. So you focus on protecting capitals, building the consistent ranks, and growing your account without any arbitrary stresses. No targets, just trading things, controls, and strategy.
And this application look now. Here comes that awful feeling. My walls are caving in. Heaven help, I can see my ghost on the ceiling. Let me breathe again.
Veterans, swing traders, big consistent trading, with specifically values consequences over speed. This sound like you, and just you feel at home.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, is the 5-10-10 no PC package. So, Helen, correct me if I'm wrong. This one removes the profit consistency rule, right?
Just a heads up, trades here are not allowed. So this is for the normal traders only. But for those who enjoy the high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal mode.
Yeah, you see me down, but you know I'll never drown. You know I'll get back up on it somehow. Don't look now, here comes that.
And Last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, refund your strategy.
You can set your own loss, overall loss, and even potential to the largest money often $2. And it's designed for experienced traders who want to maintain or control without
will offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risks are parameter, competitive commissions and full market access, and sheer profit potential. No artificial time limits and payouts. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the test of no matter your trading style, patterns, swing, arrows, or manuals. This is an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and roll compounds naturally.
And if you ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you with the here real secret. Pick a account that suits your discipline, not your dream. The right fit always outperform the flattest promise.
So Kai and Helen, we have covered the packages, the rules, and the strategy. Next, let's show our audience how to compare them side by side so they can make an informed choice that actually works for them. Alright traders, you have seen the packages and now it's time to tackle the rules that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned. This one separates the pros from the panic. And getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real game. And the numbers of recent accounts get shut down. One thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it's closed their account mid-trade on the student afternoon classes.
But here is the silver linings. Once you really grab this will become one of your best allies in the risk management. Today, we will break it down step by step with the real examples.
And yes, so what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, sets the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shuts down automatically.
And here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. It's a small detail in what has so many traders abroad.
Think of it as a stative list. It is not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
So let's get partial. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is just $107,000 thanks to some floating profits.
So with the 4% supply loss, the system calculated is from $107,000, the higher number.
Unfortunately, up to $107,000 to about 4,280. Your equity can not drop below the 100,000 on that day, or is out to liquidation.
And here's the kicker. It's the real time. The system doesn't wait. Dip below for even just a second and boom, the account is closed.
And now flip it. Day 7 balance is $100,000. in 99,000 because some trade are in loss.
Since balance is higher, so 4% of daily loss is 4,000. So your equities must stay above 96,000 or debt.
Drop to $95,999? Well, auto liquidation triggers. No margin call, no warnings, just done.
And the system is still a market order to blowing everything. All trade liquidated, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new packet.
And remember, because it's executed as live market price, slippage can make the final profits or loss worse than expect. That's 3,900 loss your planet could turn into 4,200 in the seconds.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edge, respect the limits, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright trader, let's then to how to avoid violating the day loss rule. This is where the rule mindset kicks in.
Yes, tip number 1 is know your purpose. Don't blame traders that push you right to the edge of your limits. List at least 10 to 15% cautions below your max, especially in the volatile market.
Tip number 2, focus on your own equity, not just balance. The more traders stare at their balance all day, but it's working losses and drag your equity down, you are already at risk of a violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboard and check your loss status frequently, okay? Don't rely on memories or guesswork.
And tip number 4 is pause after the early loss. If you lost 3% in the first hours of the London sessions, stop, reflect. Don't try to revenge trades back into the ring.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trade runs during NFC at the full size. That's a fast trade to hitting daily loss. Scale that to your loss right for volatility move daily.
Let's talk about the traps too. What mistake do traders make the most often with daily loss?
Number 1 is over leverage. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposure. Treat trade lab overnight. Wake up to 60 pip daily loss can trigger before even you open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matters, note the equity includes the floating profits and loss too. So that is your real score. I always tell the new traders that daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your accountant airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it's for discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the ball. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point. This isn't just about rules. This is about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you to manage risk responsibly. And the daily loss is protect that trust for both sides. And now we're going to get into a short break. Please wait for us.
Trade. WeCopyTrade. copy trade. Copy trade. Copy trade.
Welcome back, traders. Yes, previously we covered the daily loss rules, your day-to-day seatbelt, and now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbags. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I did it not hit my daily limits, I'm safe. But a few days a small loss adds up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Higgins and the system see your account is unsure visible. Immediate closure, no exception.
Let's break it down simply. It's the two loss your account can sudden across all traders at any moment if your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold. The account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which resets each day, this is the cumulative lose 2% one day, 3% the next day, and cross the lines. That's it.
The actual percentage depends on your packet. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profit.
For example, suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max loss that is will be $3,000, right?
And your equities can never fall below to 47,000. Does not matter if you make 1,000 yesterday. It's calculated from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Closed 2,000, floating 1,200. Equity is 46,800, below 47,000. Account closed.
Not about net gain or loss across trades. It's about real-time equity versus the top loss floor.
So say your account rose to 51,000, profits feels great, right?
Yeah, but the mark loss is still way on original 50,000. The sequential limit equal to 47,000. Profit only give extra buffer.
Exactly. Your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move on the threshold.
Drop below the mark loss, even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation trigger instantly. All trade close at the market price.
And like daily loss, the slippage may make your final numbers slightly worse. And that's just a market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollback. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
And alright trader, here the secret sauce. How you stay inside the mark loss spot and trade like rule without sweating every second.
So tip number one is know your flaws always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for the double hours. Calculators is manually and awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Treat profit as a more, not a more. Floating gains don't mean go away. Reduce loss size when you have protect your capital. Don't alarm it.
And also, tip 3, manage floating losses like a hawk. Even if you roll trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
And step number 4 is step back when the danger looms. If you are 5% down on the 6% minus loss, don't chase this. Walk away, take a breath, analyze, and patience saves the account.
And tip 5. Never find balance type live products. Base new, reduce size, growth, NADAS, European. Despite price, respect the market, respect the limit.
And also, there's top rookie trap that will kill your account. Now, let's get real. Here's are those moves that destroy the account faster than you can blink.
So over leveraging, opening the positions at 5 to 7% of your account's thinking is safe. Once wrong moves, your toes.
And in floating trades, below 3 loser, 10 your stay. One more rest, trade floating 1,500 to 2,000 and boom account crosses the line.
And tip number 3 is leveraging trading. Lose yesterday's, come back swinging today to recover. That is how a 6% smart slot disappear into sessions.
Number 4, slippage during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
So listen up, the mass loss isn't the enemy, so it's your protective shields, your airbags. Every top traders know. I know choice is as non-negotiable process, and the lessons his hot account gone.
Exactly. Think of it as a reality check. If you're consistently skimming the eggs, problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the count lasts years, not days.
So here's the mantra, traders. Respect the max loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
As WeMasterTrade, we're not just handing out capitals, we are building structures, disciplines, and professionalism. The mass loss rule, that is the line to separate gamblers from the true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker. Once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final statement as respect it, dress smart, and you will survive while large trader fail.
Alright traders, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule. Your capital is safety net. And now let's talk about result. Not just your risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want you to see traders grow, scale, and to earn sustainably. And that's where profit consistency comes.
So this rule separates lucky spies from the true pros. It tells us whether you can make the consistent profits over time instead of reliance on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, risk roles, and scale up. Funded and can't risk roll at full profit. This rule is probably why.
And
yes, simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit comes in day to day. One huge spike and several flat is losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
as WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% of profit consistencies, meaning your best day cannot accept 30% of your total profits. Exceptions, the 5-10-10 no PC packages, no PC rule at all.
And important, if your PC exceeds 20%, your profit share drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. And how it calculated, the formula is simple. The best 20-day profit divide total loss profit multiply 100 and equal to profit consistency ratio.
So this means the best days equal the single days highest close profits. Total profit equals is sum of all close profits minus closes. Floating losses don't count until close.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency will be equal to $200 divided into 500 and multiplied to 100. It would be 400%. That is too high and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payouts. And now I think we should get into the calendar, right? Calendar, please.
Yes, so hello everyone, welcome back to today's live sessions. In this stream, Helen will break down the key economics news for today's and discuss how traders can approach the markets at least around this event.
And today it high impacts UK, especially for GDP, Euro and USD. So risk management is extremely important. Let's start with the UK data coming out this afternoon.
So the first measures released in the GSK climate count trends. This forecast is around 21.6 case, which is lower than the previous 29 case. if the actual numbers come out lower than forecast. This could be the supportive for the British pound in the short term.
Yes, but traders should be careful. Even if the data is positive, volatility can still be high. We often see rate breakout right after the release, so waiting for confirmation is key.
So moving on to the Eurozone sessions, we have the Germans plus manufacturing PMIs and flash service PMIs. Manufacturing is forecast at 48.6, still below 50, which means contractions, while service remain to expansions.
Exactly, the mixed data suggest the EU may struggle to build a strong trend unless there is a clear surprise. It's about PMI numbers with expectation. We could see a short-term bullish reaction on EU up here.
So later, the UK released flash manufacturing PMIs and flash service PMIs. Both forecasts show slight improvements compared to previous data, which could give GBP another boost if results are positive.
And however, but multiple GDP news even on the same day, traders should expect sharp move. It's better reduce the loss side or wait until the market settles.
So now let's talk about the most important part of the days, the US sessions. We have the ATP's employment trends, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment trends, retail sales, and the unemployment rate. That is a lot of the high impact data.
Yeah, and the focus for non-farm employee trends so much lower than the previous figure. If this with labor data it confirms, the USD could come under strong selling pressure.
So retail sales and core retail sales are also expected to slow down. This suggests weaker consumer spending, which is not a positive sign for the US economy.
On top of that, the unemployment rate is forecast to rise slightly. It will come out higher than expected. It could further strengthen a bearish bias on the USD.
So that says the traders should not forget the market's expectations. Sometimes bad news is already present, so reactions depends on how big the deviation is from the forecast.
To below today, we have a US flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI. If these numbers surprise to the upside, they could have the USD recover some losses before the market close.
So overall, today is not a day for overtrading. Focus on the high probability status, managing risk carefully, and avoid trading during exam volatility if you are not experienced.
Exactly, protect your capital first. There will always be another trading day. And thank you everyone to join today live stream.
Yeah, thanks for watching and good luck with your trades today. We will see you in the next sessions.
Yes, and that would be the end of our live stream. Yes, please don't forget to continue to trade. Trade good, trade nice, trade with WeMasterTrade.
Trade.